Hey, this is Andres Santos. I'm going to show you very quick my last project for Uniface. This is the senior enrichment. This is my main page. Notice that you can see the message there are no campuses registered in the database because right now I don't have anything. I can create a campus. I have the validation for the name. It can't be more than 16 characters or less than at least one. Uh, let's say that, for example, I'm creating FullStack Academy here. It's gonna take me to the main page of the campus, and then I can edit, delete, or add students here. Notice that since I don't have any student in the campus, it's showing me there are no students registered in the database for this campus. Let's create a student. So far, very quick. The same validation here. If I have more than the characters that I defined or less than the minimum, the buttons are not working. And then let's create, for example, this. So it's taking me again to the main page for that student. Uh, uh, Even when says that the no campus associated in database, I can see a list of the campuses that I have, and then I can change or as like assign that campus, right? In this case, I'm assigning the only one that I have. I can edit the student, the same thing here. If I'm leaving this empty, it's going to tell me must enter a valid name, or if I'm putting a long name, it's going to tell me the maximum characters that I can have. Let's put, for example, here another one. For the GPA, it's gonna be if I'm putting no numbers, it's gonna tell me, or if I'm putting something that is not between 0 and 4, let's put 3, for example, just in case. The student image URL is not mandatory, so I can leave it like that. As you can see, the name is changing, the same with the GPA. I can go, because I created my own seed file. Let's seed our database and let's check what I have. So far, I have 4. I'm showing all of them here. I can delete one, for example, and it's gonna do it in the same page without redirecting anything. I can go directly to edit. In this case, it's gonna be the same. If I'm leaving this empty, it's telling me that I must enter a valid name, or if I'm putting in a long one, it's gonna tell me the same thing. Okay, let's create that here. I can actually as well add students. For example, I'm listing here the ones that are not associated with the campus. So if I'm adding, now I can see Dan Perez here, and then Dan Perez is not at the list. The same with Zoraida Ramirez. Zoraida Ramirez is here, but not here. I can as well go direct to the page of the students, and I can of course edit, delete, and I can change here the campus. If I don't want FullStack but I want Chicago, I can see the change here in the same moment. I can go and edit it as well again, and then yeah, let me show you very quick my code. This is my code, all campuses, all students, my form for delete student, delete campus. I think I didn't show you that very quick. If I do that here, it's gonna do it like immediately, but I can go here and try to delete, and it's gonna ask me, are you sure? If you cancel, it's gonna take you back, or if you definitely want to do it, it's gonna take you to the main page, but now you cannot find that student. And then yeah, has been an incredible experience. I used